honorable senators. Because I'm here, let me say the truth. The issue of MCAs in Meru, one of the person or leader who is trying to fuel and also to bring disharmony in Meru is no one else but the Deputy Speaker of this House. Several times I've tried to reach him. He doesn't avail himself so that I can at least say sorry to him. I tried to reach the devolution committee of this House to come to Meru, but he said through his people that at no time the devolution committee will come to Meru until he gives a green light for the same. And that was over for him attending any meetings that pertains to the county. Again, I thought it was the issue of money because it was raised in this Senate. The first financial year, that is 2022-2023, we allocated 10 million per every ward. That is the equalization or ward fund. They call it ward fund. They said it wasn't enough. I went ahead, increased it by 5 million, up to 15 million. They said again the money wasn't enough. They wanted more money. This financial year, we've given every ward that 3 million to see if at all there will be peace in Meru. Those two steps I took as early when I realized that there are issues with the MCAs. There's also an issue that I should have stopped my programs that I do with the church. That is the Okolea program, whereby we go as a church, donate cows, donate blankets, donate mattresses to the poor. Again, the MCAs and the leadership was not happy with the program. They said I should rest the program and I should not continue doing anything to do with the charity work in Meru. For the sake of unity and bringing people together, I stopped my charity work that I've been doing for the last 15 years. I've taken a lot of steps to see that we work together, even by writing to the devolution committee of this Senate to come to Meru and at least see what is the problem. I wrote twice to this, to the devolution committee, and to my surprise, I'm still waiting to see if they will come and see the issues that are ailing Meru. Immediately after that impeachment, I went around across Meru County saying sorry if I had wronged anyone. In fact, at one point, I said sorry 70 times. Each sorry for every MCA, and another sorry for the speaker. 70 times if I had wronged anybody. I asked for forgiveness so that the county will take progress. I want to thank this honorable House from the advice that they gave me to go and try and sit with every leader. I started with Injorin Cheke. I went to them and asked for a sitting. We sat, we talked, and then we amended everything what was not going well. I sat with the MPs. I sat with every leader who is in Meru. The only person who did not avail himself for a sitting to see that Meru moves forward is the honorable senator of this House. The rest, we've talked, we've sat, and we have no issues at all.
Yet, Madam Governor, you're here yet again, even after all those efforts. Clearly, the senators might be inclined to think that you have a problem, and the people of Meru and across the country imagine that you are the one with a problem. Where is the problem then? Why are you here?
Maybe I'm here because of various reasons. One is the threats and intimidation to the honorable MCAs, as the witness who has just left the stand said. Number two is about the external forces from the leaders at the county level. We have a lot of leaders from county level. You've seen them in the clips. And maybe you will play another clip that one of them is saying, the senator, but I need protection for this because I might land myself in problem.
You can make the application directly to the speaker for that line.
Honorable Governor, you shall not be victimized for whatever you say, as long as it's truthful and in line with the oath that you've just taken.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker and the Honorable Senators. Because I'm here, let me say the truth. The issue of MCAs in Meru, one of the person or leader who is trying to fuel and also to bring disharmony in Meru is no one else but the Deputy Speaker of this House. Several times I've tried to reach him. He doesn't avail himself so that I can at least say sorry to him. I tried to reach the devolution committee of this House to come to Meru, but he said through his people that at no time the devolution committee will come to Meru until he gives a green light for the same. This Honorable Senator, Deputy Speaker of this House, is had in many meetings, like the one we've just seen the clip here. The MCAs are planning on how to impeach the governor immediately after we left here, and then they ask for comments from the Honorable Deputy Speaker of this House. He stands, and the video has been played here, and say, we as circumcised men, we will make sure that we assist you, honorable members, in whatever way. We will assist you, and the assistance that he gives to the MCAs is to make sure that they impeach me as many times as possible. In fact, he promises them immediately after they leave River Kavita to this end, he will take care of this house. I don't know how he will take care of this house, but honorable senators, the deputy, my senator, whom I give a lot of respect, has greatly interfered with the running of the county government of Meru.
Are you saying that your senator, who also happens to be my senator, is behind your problems in Meru?
I think we can play the clip.
Kindly let's play that clip.
I think it's a yes or no. We don't need to go
yes.
back to the clip.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. So, Madam Governor, do you think that devolution works in Meru with you as the governor, or the only problem, or not, rather the only solution is for you to vacate your seat and give it to someone else so that we can have peace in Meru? Do you think that there is a working relationship with, especially the County Assembly of Meru, because that is where your focus should be? Do you think there is that working relationship?
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. The working relationship or the working progress in Meru with the MCAs, I've just said that I started with one MCA, then to 9 MCAs, and up to now I have 23 MCAs.
Conclude, Council for Governor. Your time is up.
Thank you. Actually, that was my last question, Mr.
You.
Speaker, sir. I thank you so very much. I yield the witness
Council
for
for County Assembly. You may now proceed for cross-examination.
Mr. Speaker, sir, with your kind permission, kindly I beg your indulgence to advise us as to extension of time. We had agreed previously that shall be equality of times, but I leave it to you as we progress. We'll consider.
Just utilize your 20 minutes fast.
Most obliged.
If at the end of the 20 minutes,
I am well
you're
guided.
not done, you know exactly what to do.
I am well guided,
Proceed.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Madam Governor, good evening.
Even to you.
The last time you were here, you indicated that you're a victim of misogyny. You remember?
Yes.
Do you still hold that preposition this afternoon?
Yes.
You still hold the position that you're a victim of the gender card?
Yes.
And that it's because of the gender card that you've always been brought before this assembly?
Yes.
Do you reckon that the move of the motion was a woman?
Yes.
Do you reckon that the motion was equally supported by the men and the women of MCAs of the Meru County?
Yes.
And you still hold the preposition that you're a victim of the gender, correct?
A victim.
Should female governors be held to account?
Yes, they should.
Should they be told when they are wrong?
Yes, they should.
Are they bound by the law?
Yes, they are bound.
Are they exempted by any clause that you know of?
No.
And therefore, Madam Governor, when we tell you that you illegally revoked the appointment of Virginia Kawira, and that you contravened Section 58, subsection 4, and Section 5, and Section 59A of the County Government Act. Yes?
No.
How is that victimization?
It was not a
How is that victimization? How do we victimize you as a woman when we say you violated Section 58 and Section 59? How do we victimize you as a woman?
I did not violate any section.
Listen to my question. How do we victimize you? I'm not asking whether you violated. I'm asking, how do we victimize you as a woman?
I did not violate.
I know you didn't violate. That's why you're putting a defense. But I'm asking, how do we victimize you? The question is, how have we victimized you?
I did not violate.
That you have said, but the question is, how did we victimize you? Tukisema kwamba umevunja hii sheria na umesema hujavunja, tumekuonea vipi ati kwa sababu wewe ni governor wa mwanamke?
Na kwa sababu sijavunja hii sheria, amjanionea.
Understanding my question?
Yes, I'm understanding.
The question is about victimization. How have we victimized you?